Harbor Freight, and last night I realized I really need a tool, and luckily they have it here for 10 bucks, you know, typical Harbor Freight prices. So let's go in and see what they have and what other stuff's on like discount. So I'm looking around for the bit set that I need, and these will actually be kind of cool. It's like some type of like composite ratchets. That's kind of cool for like junkyard use, because this is nice and light, and I kind of want to like downsize my my box, get lighter stuff. So this is actually kind of cool. Good carry that stuff all day. They have this like T-wrench or something. I used to have one of these in Snap-on, lost it at the junkyard. But yeah, so far no luck finding it. Just gotta keep searching. The Hello Next key set, pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know where it could be though. Probably gotta ask them. So luckily it was right here by the entrance, and that's it right there. 100-piece set, security bit set. That's exactly what I'm gonna get. So I'll buy it and then open it. Let's see what it's about. These sump pumps right here. You can easily hook up one of those inverters that I bought the last time, and hook up one of these pumps for like doing stuff, you know, where you don't have electricity. So kind of cool. They have basically everything here. Like an easy out extractor, bit set. Let me see. Deburr set right there. Pipe cutter. Monkey wrench. A lot of cool stuff. Alright guys, so car's all the way over there just chilling. Got it right here. Gonna open it up and just check out the overall quality. About to open it, and yeah, they make these things where you can't even just get it open. You need like just blades. Good thing I have an extra pack of blades right here. 30 minutes later I finally managed to get that taken off, but it's got this right here. So this goes to like the actual driver, and let's see, that goes there. So pretty cool that they give you like the actual attachment. So this one right here. You could put like so that goes there for this, because that looks like for a socket right there, but. And then they give you this one for an actual cordless drill. Put that to there, went there, and then let's say there's like a Torx down here. Put this one there, so they give you all the little things. Pretty good box. Kind of could want to take this sticker off, or is that even? Yeah, I'll probably just end up taking that off. Some ugly glue. Take the back one off, and yeah, just throw this in under your seat, and when you need it, there it is right there. It's pretty durable, seems durable, but yeah, overall pretty good. It had excellent reviews online, and so far it's pretty good. Let me see, it causes cancer, I don't even know, but yeah, usually these things are all like toxic with like warnings, but yeah, but these seem pretty good, so I give these an A+. Guys, so I'm stuck in traffic here, and usually this place is freaking flowing, doing about 80 right here, and I'm just wondering who the hell crashed. And right over there, I'm just gonna rubberneck and check it out. Fucking go! Alright, so there's a huge crash right there, as you can see, and it hit all those embankments. Oh yeah, so that's what happened. Damn.
48 hours later.
Alright guys, so just picked up this right here. I'm at Harbor Freight again, and finally I could polish the car much better. No more little drill attachment, after a couple of years, I finally upgraded. These pads I heard from Warrior are pretty trash, but I need these to get the ball rolling. That's a compounding pad, that's a polishing pad, and they had a finishing pad for like light swirls and wax, but just wax by hand. So this is a 6-inch dual action polisher, 5.7 amps, orbital, variable speed, which is pretty good, you know, for something budget like this. And yeah, it's just a DA polisher. And this is actually the next day, or no, actually a couple days after I bought that bit set, security bit set. And my friend, brother from another mother, got a car, and he really needs a polishing job. And I'm like, well, if he needs it and I need it, and he's desperately needing it, and I have the money and I could buy something like this right now, just might as well waste money on this, right? So there it is. And instructions, there was a 2-year warranty for 35 bucks or 3-month free warranty. So this is a 3-month 90-day warranty, so I didn't pay the extra 35 bucks for 2 years. But if this thing lasts a year, I'll just buy another one for another sale. And you know, you can just basically buy these every 2 years, and they're so cheap, you know, it's not like a $400 machine. Well, yeah, so alright, so finally got it out the bag, and came with the handle, little wrench, and an Allen key. And I'm pretty sure that's for to take the pad off, and this is to put that on. I could be wrong, but it's right there. And so the difference between this one and the older one is basically that fan is more directional. It kind of like, it propels the air out, versus the older one where it was just straight and they were more skipped and it just blew air randomly. This one directs it out. That's an upgrade. The downgrade is that the bearing in here behind there, the main bearing, it's not a sealed bearing, which this one is not a sealed, and the old one was a sealed with the rubber shield. This one is just a metal shield. And the other, okay, and then the other good thing about this is that this one's about a pound lighter. It's about 4 pounds versus the other one, it was like 5 point something, I believe. And so yeah, so put it right there. And variable speed, where's the variable speed at? Hold up, let me see, right there. God, I'm so blind. Well, yeah, so that's it right there. So number 1, 2, and it goes all the way up to a 6. And yeah, in this video I'm not gonna test it out, but I am gonna make a video polishing up my buddy's car. And yeah, comes with a nice cord and everything ready to go. Finally got one, so happy. But yeah, alright guys, so I'm gonna cut the video right there. It's just a little unboxing of the stuff that I got, and wish me luck with this, and it doesn't fry within the next the first 30 minutes, because that'll suck. Yeah, but okay, so if everything goes well, I'm gonna get a nice backing plate. They say the Groit's Garage actually is a good one, and I'm going to get better hex logic type pads and just upgrade these and the backing plate. They said take the gear, this main thing off, and take out all the grease and put high quality grease. I'll probably end up doing that down the road. And yeah, and they say those are the 3 main upgrades to this grease, backing pad, and pads. And yeah, I'm pretty much up on game on you know, like the whole Meguiar's M105 M205 system. It seems to work the best. But yeah, so alright guys, so if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you on the next one.